If you've been seeing the Google Lens Overlay pop up in Chrome and you want to disable it, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn it off using Chrome flags. This is a simple fix, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This method works inside the Chrome browser itself, so you don't need to install anything extra or use any third-party tools. The feature we're looking for is called Google Lens Overlay, and it's the part of Chrome that can let you search images directly from web pages and screenshots. While that can be useful for some people, a lot of users prefer to disable it because it can feel distracting or get in the way while browsing. Once Chrome is open, click into the address bar at the top of the browser. Now type chrome://flags and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Chrome's experimental features page, also known as Chrome Flags. This page contains advanced settings that let you enable or disable hidden browser features, so be careful not to change anything else unless you know what it does. When the Chrome Flags page loads, use the search box at the top of the page and type Lens. As soon as you do that, Chrome should show you any lens-related options it has available. What we're specifically looking for is the flag called Lens Overlay Omnibox Entrypoint. This is the setting that controls the lens overlay behavior from the browser's search and address bar area. Next, click the drop-down menu next to that flag. By default, it will usually be set to default. Open that menu and change it from default to disabled. This tells Chrome not to use that lens overlay feature anymore. Make sure you select disabled carefully because that is the setting that turns the feature off. After you've changed the flag, Chrome will usually prompt you to restart the browser. At the bottom or top of the page, click Relaunch. Chrome will close and reopen automatically, and it will apply the change for you. Once the browser comes back up, the Google Lens Overlay should be disabled. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully disabled the Google Lens Overlay in Chrome. If the feature was bothering you or you just wanted a cleaner browsing experience, this should make Chrome feel a lot more streamlined. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.